Okay, everybody, it's the week of May 4th. We have this week and next week left. I'm going to give you some projects to work on. Don't worry, I'm not going to knock you out. This will be something just to kind of get you out and about. I took a picture of this piece in the book. We talked about this when we were doing chapter 6 in the book. And what I want to do is apply this to something around your house. I would like for us to look at problems like 83 and 84, and I would like for you to actually do both of those types of problems. So, types of problems. All right, so here's what I'm asking you to do. I want you to go to your car and actually do problem number 83. Now, you're going to have to measure the degrees, figure out how to do that the best you can, and measure the lengths of the windshield wiper, and just do one section. You don't need to do all of them, just find one, and I want to know the area. You got to write all this down and show me all your work. Take a picture of it, okay? And a lot of times it's easy to take a picture like what I just did and put it in Notability, and actually on the picture you draw your line and you write what you found for your measurements, and that's the best thing to do. And I would really like to have the pictures, okay, that you're showing me how to do this. And so I would like the windshield wiper problem to be done with your own cars. You guys go figure that out. You don't even have to use your own car. You can find somebody else's car and figure it out. Okay, so you got to measure it and do that actual problem. So it should be different than what this problem is. Do not do the exact same measurements. The next thing, the next problem I want you to do is like number 84. And it's a lot like number 82 as well. So you can use your hose that's attached to the side of the house if you actually have a dog or a cow that for some reason you tether to the barn or whatever. I want you to actually do this type of a problem. You're going to stretch the hose out. You got to figure out how much the hose is. Again, I want you to take a picture kind of, obviously you can't take a drone picture. If you have a drone, great, do it. If not, do the best you can to take a picture of the area that you're doing. And again, then draw the line on there. Tell me how big of a hose that you're using. Is it 50 feet or 25-foot hose? Do all of that for me. And draw a diagram like what they have here. This is a drawn diagram. So I want you to draw the diagram of the picture of what you took, okay? And then on the diagram, draw all of this information. You got to measure the side length of your house each time that when the hose hits this section of the house, it's going to break right there and start to curve this direction. And then it hits this corner of their house and breaks and does that section. So, and then obviously going the opposite direction, it'll hit this part of the house at this point and break and go down that direction. So I want you to do this and draw the diagram and do all the calculations. So a problem like number 83 and a problem like number 84. That is what you are doing this week. So that's in chapter 6. It is section 1 of chapter 6. You can kind of look up what you did, the area of a circular sector. I'll write it down here for you. Area equals 1/2 r squared theta. Remember, theta needs to be changed kind of in the radian measurement. So you should look back and see how to do that stuff as well. Okay, so that's due by 2:30 on Thursday. Please don't wait to do this. It's a very simple thing to do. Just figure it out, get it done, 2 problems, and then I got something for you next week, same type of thing. Hope you're having a great time, and you're going to get out of school early. All you seniors, man, I'm going to miss seeing you and spending the time with you. So I'll talk more about that next week. So have a great week. See ya.